issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mineral Point, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Barneville, Arena, Ridgeway, and Governor Dodge State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm